Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in mixtures. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, quantity of wine in a mixture of wine, water and soda is 24 ml more than the quantity of water. Friends, say the quantity of water x ml, then the quantity of wine will be x plus 24. Friends, it is also given that the quantity of wine is 40 ml less than the quantity of soda. So then the quantity of soda must be x plus 64. X plus 64 minus 40, x plus 24, 5. Now the total mixture is 3x plus 88 ml. Friends, now 20% of this mixture is replaced. That means 20% of the mixture is drawn. Friends, if 20% of the mixture is drawn, then 20% of wine will be drawn, 20% of water will be drawn, 20% of soda will be drawn. Now let us talk about the water. What is the initial quantity of water? X ml, and 20% of water will be drawn. 20% means 1 by 5. So x by 5 water is drawn, and how much water is added? 20% of the mixture. 20% of the mixture is 3x plus 88 by 5. 20% means 3x plus 88 by 5 ml water is added. So how much water is added? 20% of the mixture. 20% of the mixture. So initial quantity is this much water is drawn, and how much water is added? 20% of the mixture. 20% of the mixture. After this replacement, the quantity of water in the mixture is 208 ml. Friends, 5x minus x plus 3x plus 88, 3x plus 88 is equal to 5 into 208, 1040. 8x minus x, 7x is equal to 1040 minus 88, 259. Friends, it implies x is equal to 7 13s, 91, 4 remains, 42, 7 6s, 42. Friends, x is equal to 136. Friends, we want the initial quantity of wine in the mixture. What is the initial quantity of wine in the mixture? X plus 24. So, the initial quantity of wine is 136 plus 24, that is equal to 160 ml. Friends, 160 ml. Thank you.